Welcome to WAI's course on Extrusion Applications. Throughout this introductory course, we will review some of the specific applications for extrusion. The next video will discuss multi-layered insulation. Many cable designs are comprised of multiple insulation layers. Low voltage and medium voltage power cables are everywhere. Each layer of insulation has a specific function to prolong the life and serviceability of the cable. In WAI's course on single-layer extrusion, we explained how fiber optic cables can be either loose tube or tight buffer. Now, in the third video of this course, we will expand on the different types of fiber cables and provide an overview of long-haul and premise cables. We will also introduce you to a couple of ribbon cable designs. The fourth video will cover cable jacketing, which is the final layer on the cable and serves to protect it from damage during installation and normal service life. The fifth video will present procedures for a normal jacket line startup and provide a couple of options for quick shutdowns. With these concepts in mind, we hope this will equip you with valuable insights, enhancing your understanding and skills in extrusion applications. Like what you saw in this introduction video? This is just the beginning. The full course is only a click away at WAI's Education Center. Start your learning journey today and take the next step in your professional growth.